So, version source control within Unreal Engine 4. And I've started extensively using proper version source control like 1 year ago. And I've seen many clients and many developers, mostly single developers, using something like cloud storage, whether that would be Google Drive, Dropbox, and I've personally used that before, but I've realized from experience how helpful proper version source control can be, and this can save you time. This can make your whole process of managing projects easier. And I'm personally a big fan of setup that I'm using, which includes Unreal Engine 4 with GitHub. So GitHub is the storage solution, or you can call it platform, and Git is the actual software that is handling the process of version source control. And like I said, I've seen many clients. So let's say that some clients would initiate some project, some work with me, and then they would send the Google Drive link or Dropbox link so that I would have to download the project. And then once I'm done with that, I'm supposed to send the work back using the same platform. That would be Google Drive or Dropbox. But throughout the years, I've seen that there are better solutions for that. And like I said, many clients, whether that would be entrepreneurs, business people, and many developers actually don't know about it, especially artists. And that's why I've decided to create a tutorial, and not just tutorial, which is 53 minutes long, and you can find that on my YouTube channel here, but also I've decided to create a full course which covers everything from basic to intermediate to advanced stuff. And this is really a time saver for clients and for developers as well, whether that would be an artist or a programmer, doesn't matter. This is really time saver, and that's why I've decided to create the free tutorial that you can find on my channel, and also the course. Both the free video and course cover scenarios in which you would be developing your project as a single person, but it also covers scenarios in which you can work with multiple people, such as your friends, colleagues, or whomever, or maybe your clients. And your clients and colleagues will always be able to access the latest version of the project, and thus the term version source control, right? And one very important thing that I have to mention is that this setup that I'm demonstrating in the tutorial and course is free and easy. So you don't have to pay anything when it comes to the setup itself. You don't have to pay anything on GitHub, anything anywhere. Everything is free and as easy as possible. I was struggling with this in the beginning, and once I've acquired enough knowledge, then I've decided to document this and help you and other people around, so that every one of us can enjoy more time developing instead of hustling with uploading and downloading projects every single time. And it's really painful in those scenarios. So let's say that you make one small change, but it affects multiple files within Unreal Engine 4 project. In that case, you would have to re-upload the whole thing. Sometimes you would be fine, but it can get buggy, so you might end up failing to open your project at all. So this is one of many scenarios in which proper version source control helps you save time and save your nerves so that you can focus on the actual development, like I said many times. And yes, feel free to check out the free tutorial, or you can just straight away grab the course itself, and there will be more content like this. And I guess that's it for this video, at least. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.